Hello everyone, I'm here in my segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. And our question today is how to combine bold and italic comments on YouTube. Steps in combining bold and italic comment. Number 1, type asterisk, comment and asterisk. Number 2, make space. And then number 3, type underscore, comment and underscore. This video is from Juanito Cake Design Ideas. So this is just an example on how to make comment combining bold letters and then italic letters. So the first one I did is I put asterisk and then comment and then asterisk and then I made a space and then underscore and I made a comment again, and then after that I put underscore. So that's how I make italic and bold letter comment combination. So as you can see, you will see the bold comment and italic comment together. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.